Hello guys, welcome back to Subbu Soft Tech. In this video, we will discuss about how to download VS Code in your Windows operating system, guys. End-to-end flow, how to download and how to install, how to set up this VS Code in your Windows operating system. Full details we will discuss, guys. So first of all, what is VS Code means? It is a free, lightweight and source code editor, guys. It is developed by the Microsoft. It will support terms of languages like JavaScript, Java, Python, like that. Which code you want to develop, you can happily develop, guys, and all. Okay. It is also supports the great extensions like Git, Docker, Thunder Client. There are multiple things. So before downloading this VS Code, first you have to check the prerequisite, guys. So Windows 10 or 11 is enough here. So 64-bit is mostly recommended. So admin access you required, guys. Okay. So after that, in order to download this VS Code, you have to visit this official VS Code website, guys. So we have a download for Windows button is available. Just click on that. So it will automatically install that particular .exe file, guys. So once the downloading process completed, you have to install this VS Code, guys. Just double click on this downloaded .exe file. Yeah. So after that, it will ask for a license agreement and it will ask for installation location, and so you can select different paths, guys. So you can just click on add to path, context menu, register, all these things, guys. Okay. So after that, you can just click on next and then it will ask for installation. So click on install button. After installation, just click on finish button, guys. So it will automatically launch the VS Code. Okay. So once this installation process completed successfully, so what is the initial setup we have to do in the VS Code means, we just whenever we are launching the VS Code, install the extensions, guys. Okay. So what are the extensions that is required? So whether we are using Python, JavaScript, Thunder Client, so live server, which one is required, that extensions you have to download, guys. So you can set the theme and appearance also, that is also fine. If you want to create your first project means, go to file menu here. So open the folder or create a new select project, guys. Okay. Yes, so you can start the coding, guys. Okay. So installation language is optional here. That is up to your choice. Okay. So after that, if you want to run the under debug the code means, so that is also fine. VS Code has built-in debugging tool, guys. So just click on the run icon and the sidebar, it will we can put the breakpoint, guys. So now VS Code is successfully installed in your machine. You can ready to work with so VS Code in order to develop the code, guys. Now let's download the VS Code, guys. So just copy this URL here. So just open the Chrome browser, paste that URL, guys. It will navigate to that website. It is a official website, guys. Always download the softwares from the official website only, guys. Here it is showing download for Windows, right? Just click on that button. Yes, if we observe here, thanks for downloading, message is displayed or not. That means downloading process in progress, guys. Yes, if you observe here, still it is in progress, right? .exe file is downloading, guys. Yes, just go to that download folders, guys. Yes, if you see .exe file is application is available or not. Just double click on that download.exe application, guys. After that, it will ask license agreement. So I accept the license. Yes, as we discussed, it is asking for the checkboxes or not. Yes, you can select that. You can create a desktop icon, guys. Yes, after that, click on next. Yes, just click on install button. Now it will set up install of this VS Code in your machine, guys. Now VS Code successfully installed in your machine. This is how the dashboard looks like, guys. You can just close it, guys. It is not an issue. Okay, if you want to install any extensions, that is up to your choice, guys. Here left side we have a extension icon, right? Just click on that. It will ask which software you want to download, guys. Which extension you want to install, you can install. That is up to your call. So whether if you are working with Python, you can install Python extension. If you are working with JavaScript, install JavaScript extension. If you want to test the APIs, you can install Thunder client. Like that, which extension you want to require, that extension you can happily install in the VS Code operating system base. So this is how you have to install the VS Code. Now VS Code is ready. Now you can happily work with this VS Code in order to develop the applications, guys. Thank you.